This is my first step in installing my Viofo camera. The first thing that I want to do really, I want to take a black piece of vinyl, stick that on my window, on my windshield, so I won't be able to see the glue here, the glue, what do you call it, base, and that you won't see the cables from the street. I want it to be OEM as possible, just like how they covered this actually on the car, in the windshield, is actually a black vinyl. I mean, they sprayed it black. So what I'm going to do, I took out this cover to have the shapes, and I have to position this in a way that like this is going close to the windshields and to the roof covers. And I'm going to cut a piece of vinyl that, bring it under here like this, in a nice way of course, and then from the street you won't be able to see the camera nor the cables. And I'm going to do it the same on the other side, that it's equal. So that's my first thing that I'm going to do. This is the idea. I sketched out and measured everything. It would look like this on the windshield, and what I traced here you will not be able to see from the street side. And I just made enough space free for the camera. So in reality it would look something like this. As you can see, everything from the windshield, from the street side will be covered. You won't be able to see the cables. You will hardly see the lens there. And it will keep that OEM shape. So I'm going to go and stick this now on the windshield.